Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Ryan. For those of you who don't know me, well, I run an automotive YouTube channel called King Customz. Now I'm working on a super cool project in the shop. It's a Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. And to make this project even cooler, I've written my own song. So I definitely want to hear what you guys think about it. I found a talented young man to sing it and produce it for me, as well as help me out with some of the lyrics. This song is in representation of my grandmother, who is very close to me, and she's battling dementia. And this build is basically in honor of her as well. So please sit back, listen to the song, let me know what you guys think. I've poured my soul into these lyrics, so I hope you all enjoy it.
Open the throttle and drive through the night, 'cause I take the long way home, 'cause I take the long way home. Like a dream, and these tears, they keep on falling. That open road is calling, with me till early morning. In my heart, you're an angel in the night. Take the long way home, wish you were by my side. Feeling the power, horses running in the midnight hour. Foot down, I'm out for adventure. Got a feeling this road might last forever. If you were with me, oh, I'd hold you tight. Open the throttle and drive through the night, 'cause I take the long way home, 'cause I take the